What's up, guys? We are back with our 2018 F-150 budget build. We've got the trunk loaded up with a bunch of different parts that we're gonna be throwing on, so let's head back there and take a look. So we're gonna be kicking off tier 3 of our budget build here, which is gonna be a $7,500 budget. And as you can see, we have got plenty in store for this round. We've got some new suspension, Bilstein stuff, Rhino rack, bed rack kit. We're gonna be doing an ARB compressor, a bunch of cool mods. We also have wheels and tires coming down the road. So we're gonna totally revamp this truck for an outdoor lifestyle and really bring it to the next level. I personally am super hyped for what we're gonna be doing with this build, but I need you guys to head down below and leave a comment and let me know what you think of some of the parts we're gonna be throwing in here and what you wanna see. And we're gonna throw this inside right now, get it on the bench, break it down, and talk about everything we're doing. So let's head in. All right, guys, so like I said, outside, there's a lot of different mods that we're doing, but one of the ones we're most excited to jump into and install is gonna be this Bilstein suspension setup. Now, what we're looking at here is a pretty awesome upgrade. I'm really stoked to get these on the truck and see how they ride and really get a feel for it, but on my left here is the Bilstein B8 6112 coilover system. And what makes these kind of unique and special is that A, they are built for off-road use and are a lot beefier than what we have from factory, and even a little bit more off-road capable than the quick lifts that we had in the truck on the previous tier. But also these are adjustable and should just be a really nice upgrade overall with the rear system that we're doing on this truck too. So what we're looking at here is the actual Bilstein strut body inside of the coil spring, and the body of this is a 2.36 inch diameter, which is really pretty impressive. It's like super big, looks aggressive, but it also carries a lot of oil in there. It's gonna reduce fade, give us a better ride. And then the way they have these designed is there's this sleeve that goes around a couple different cuts in the body. And when you pair it up with the hardware kit and your spring seat, you can adjust where you want the height to sit on these. So you can either have it dialed to just like factory, 0 inches, you can add an inch, inch and a half. We're gonna set ours probably to 2 inches, which will pretty much max it out, but will give us good fitment for the new wheels and tires we're doing. And then obviously all the rest of the hardware we have here to get everything installed. Now, you did hear me correctly. I said wheels and tires that we're changing. And I know a lot of you guys weren't super stoked about those black fuel wheels we threw on in the last tier. And personally, I think maybe we could step it up too. So we do have something planned in the way of a new wheel tire combo that I think a lot of you guys have really been looking forward to. And it's gonna be something that a lot of you guys will like, but we're gonna tease that out a little bit and get back to that later on. So let's jump into the rear suspension here. And as you can see, to match up with these front Bilsteins, we opted for a rear Bilstein shock that would go with it. And these are their 5160 rear shocks with the remote reservoir on there. Definitely a nice beefy upgrade over the factory system, and this external reservoir is going to be an awesome upgrade off-road to kind of reduce that fade, really deal with rough washboardy terrain where it's going to be bouncing up and down a lot. It gives you that extra circulation, and also these are designed to handle a little bit of additional lift. We're probably not going to tweak the back end as far as lift is concerned since we're leveling the front, but realistically, if we ever wanted to add a add-a-leaf kit or add a 1-inch block in there or something, this will handle that. So it definitely makes these usable for a lot of different applications and allows us to upgrade them further in the future if we want to. As I've been talking about all this stuff that we're upgrading, I've really been trying to emphasize the fact that we want to make this truck a lot more off-road capable via the suspension and obviously the new wheels and tires. But I need you guys to do me a favor and leave some comments below to let me know where we should go to test this sort of stuff. We want to know what sort of terrain you want to see us running these Bilsteins on, you know, what places, trails you want to see, sand, mud, rocks, whatever. Give us an idea of what you want to see, because we definitely intend to obviously install these, but not just install them for looks. We really want to use them like all of our other suspension and get a sense for what it can do. Since I said we're going to install these, we will have the install videos and reviews coming down the road, so make sure you subscribe and don't miss out on any of those, because we're going to show you exactly how we get these onto the truck and also go into some of the mods later on as we continue to build through this tier. So keep an eye out for all that, and we'll catch you guys next time.